Hi guys, today I'm going to be showing you how I make my keychains. So as far as materials go, I use a blank keychain, permanent vinyl from Oracle, and some transfer tape that you can really use from any company. They all work very well. First you want to peel off your transfer tape and put it on top of your vinyl. You want to use a scraper. You can use a credit card or something like I have here from Cricut, and really scrape it hard and then peel it off. I then place my design on my keychain and rub it down again with a scraper, credit card, your fingers, whatever you want to do or works best for your specific vinyl. And once that is really stuck to the keychain, you can then start slowly peeling it up, and you can kind of test if it's not really stuck or not, and then rub more depending on if you need it or not. And that is the whole process of how I make my keychains. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and subscribe if you want to see more content like this. Thanks for watching.